everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Apoorva and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a simple kaftan. Just like any other project that I do, this was again a last minute project. I'm going to Goa for my bachelorette trip and this was an impromptu trip, so I have not stitched any dresses, but I wanted to stitch at least one thing for the trip. So I thought the easiest thing that I can make at the last minute is a kaftan. I'm using this beautiful pop of pink bandhani print cotton fabric. I got this fabric from Dora website. This is a beginner friendly project and I think anyone who knows the basic of stitching can do this. So let's do this. This is based on my measurement and this can fit chest size 32 to 34. You can increase the width and length based on your preferred size. I placed the front on the back with right sides facing together and stitched on both the sides of the shoulder. Double fold the sides and stitch. Do it on the other side as well. Once that's done, double fold the below part and stitch that too. After that, I cut out bias tape. Fold the bias tape and place it on the neck and pin it. After pinning, stitch it. Once that's done, snip it around the neck so that it gives a clean finish when you fold it. Fold the bias tape inwards and you can put machine stitch or you can do hand hemming. I'll be doing hand hemming. Cut out a strap with 65 inches in length and 1.5 inches in width. Fold the strap and stitch it. Reverse the strap as shown in the video. Cut out two straps of length 23.5 inches and width of 1.5 inches. Fold it on both the sides and press it as shown in the video. Fold the edges as well and press it. Place the measuring tape on the shoulder part and mark 13 inches. Align the center point of the strap to the center point of the neck and pin it as shown in the video. Pin the strap in the similar way at the back as well. After that, stitch the strap. Mark 3 inches above the strap and draw a straight line till the bottom as shown in the picture. Stitch along these 2 lines on the right side of the fabric. Mark the center point on the strap and mark 1 inch on either side from the center point. Snip it a little. Make sure you snip only the above part of the fabric. This is the channel where the straps will be inserted. You can do buttonhole stitch over here to keep the threads intact, but I had no time to do anything as such, so I just left it like that. And the last step is to insert the strap from one hole and then take it all the way to the back and then the front and take it out from the other hole. At the end of the strap, I have just put up a knot. You can add tassels and you can make it fancy, but again, as I told, I was running out of time, so I just added a knot and I was done with it. This is the second time I have made kaftan and I love this silhouette. It's super comfortable, super airy, and it can be worn just like this, or you can use it as swimwear cover up. Let me know how do you like this in the comments below. If you try this out, then tag me on Instagram. Thank you. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.